Hey, this is the second part of the test video. Make sure you go on to part 1 and see how to correctly put it in the test mode. Once it is in the test mode, you're going to see the icon flashing right there with the IN50. What you're going to do at that point is just press the start, and it's going to go through the test module there. It's going to be 5 tests. Make sure your soak dispenser is closed and the lid's down. Obviously it may differ a little bit for your model. This is for the WT7005 LG. So it's going to go through 5 test models. First one's going to be the tub filling up with warm and cold water, and once that's done it will go to part 2. We'll come back for the second test momentarily. So on test 2, it's actually now checking the warm water, and now it's checking the shut-off valve, and it will go into test 3 momentarily. All right, test 3 was the shut-off of both the hot and cold water. Test 4, it's going to be doing the draining process out of the bottom of the basin and then out through the vacuum tube. You will hear a funny sound there, but that is just the little bit of water going out of the tube, and it will go into the final test here momentarily. All right, now we are on test 5. The latch will lock, and then the drum will start rotating. So there's the drum. It's going to start rotating and then get to a maximum spin speed. Once that's completed, it should show the results on the display if there's any issues or anything. And if not, I'll show you what the final display will look like as it goes through this test process and completes. So there it is right now. It's just finishing up on the final part of the spin cycle. And obviously it's still continuing to drain the water through the tube there. That's the sound that you're hearing from the vacuum. All right, here's the test. It's going to complete the cycle, and let's see what it says. So it's showing a 0. 0 means there are no errors. If there is a numerical value of 1 through